Don.
And we're going to ask him a couple questions about his Jeep. First question is why a Jeep?
I've had Jeeps for 20 years and never had a Wrangler. They've always been Grand Cherokees.
So
Shane got me interested in Wranglers, so here we are.
And this is your first Wrangler?
This is my first.
Which is the second question. How many Jeeps have you owned, including the Wrangler?
5 total.
5 total.
Yep.
All right, and it's called SIDESWIPE.
Yep.
And what mods have you done to your Jeep?
It's got a 2.5-inch lift. It's got 17-inch wheels, 35-inch tires. I added power door locks because that's something that putting the key in a door is just old school stuff, and I couldn't stand that. So I had to add that. The company's called Electric Life, and they actually make this kit specifically for the JK. And so I bought the 2-door kit.
Can you show me that? Show me the power. How's the power locks work on the inside?
Well, there's no switches.
No switches. It's just
all done with a key fob.
A fob, and
Yep.
he hits the button, and this is what happens.
You hit the button the second time, the lock button the second time. And the
So
horn
you
turns.
tired of accidentally locking the doors on your JK when you get out because your finger hits the lock mechanism? Get a fob. Keep it on your belt loop.
Yeah, exactly.
And you won't be like me the other day when I locked myself out in the middle of nowhere.
There you go.
That's okay. Pull the top off. Anything else that you've done?
Other than the CB and of course my Sirius radio, I had to install that because this thing didn't have it.
And the tires are 35.
Yep.
35-inch Mickey Thompsons.
Mickey Thompson, Baja MTZs.
On new rims.
Yep. 17-inch wheels.
And a spare. Full-size spare. That's the way to go.
Yep.
And a rear connection point. On top of that, there's an additional rear connection point. Connection points are crucial for trail riding because you never know if you're going to have to be pulled out or you're going to have to pull somebody out.
Exactly. I did add a little bling to the door handle. Shane got me the guards for the tail lights. I added the fuel door, which I think looks better than just a big hole in the side.
Excellent. And got some angry eyes.
Yep, yeah, the Angry Bird grill.
Yep.
All LED headlights and fog lights.
LEDs make a big difference.
Oh, ton of difference.
Yeah.
Ton of difference.
Well, if you have not joined the Orlando Jeep Club, go look them up online. It's orlandojeepclub.com. If you haven't come out to one of the Sonic meet and greets, as you can see, we've got a few Jeeps here today. And we would love to have you out. I'm Matt. Thanks for tuning in.